How to cancel booking.com hotel reservation. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can cancel hotel reservation on booking.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the booking.com application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're signed in, you have to access your bookings. For that, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of your home page. There's an option for booking. Tap on bookings. So once you land on this interface, you will find all of your hotel reservation here. From there, select your hotel reservation that you want to cancel. After that, tap on it to view the reservation details. Now, for the cancellation policy, review the cancellation terms. And if you're within the free cancellation window, you won't be charged. Swipe down and tap on cancel booking or request cancellation. Then you have to confirm your cancellation by tapping on yes, cancel this booking when prompted in your interface. Once you have done with that, now you will receive a confirmation email from booking.com with the cancellation details, and your dashboard will also show the status as cancelled for the hotel reservation. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.